Hello everyone. Thank you for choosing the FlexiSpot E7 FLOW adjustable desk. Today, I will walk you through the entire assembly process step by step. The E7 FLOW offers powerful cable management features, yet its installation is surprisingly simple and can be completed in just 20 minutes. The E7 FLOW comes in 3 packages. Package 1, table frame columns. Package 2, beams, accessories, power strip, and cable management tray. Package 3, tabletop. Place the crossbeam on the floor with the rubber strip side facing up. Align the side brackets the same way and attach them to both ends of the beam using the A screws. First, place a piece of cardboard under the tabletop to protect it. Make sure the side with the pre-drilled holes is facing up. Next, put the crossbeam on top of the tabletop. Align the holes on one side first and hand tighten the B-type screws. Don't tighten them all the way yet. Then loosen the 4 positioning bolts in the middle of the crossbeam and adjust the width. Once the other side is aligned, go ahead and secure the tabletop. Now, use the E-type screws to secure the tabletop. The pre-drilled holes make this step quick and easy. Don't forget to go back and tighten the 4 positioning bolts on the beam that you loosened earlier. Place the lifting columns into both ends of the frame, with the motor ports facing inwards. Then use the C screws to secure them. And tighten firmly to ensure the desk stays stable. Next, attach the desk feet with the D-type screws. Tighten them in a crisscross pattern to keep everything balanced. If needed, adjust the small pads underneath for extra stability. The hand control can be installed either on the left or the right side. There are pre-drilled holes on both sides of the tabletop, so just choose the position that works best for you. The connection is very simple. Just plug the left and right motors along with the control panel into the central control box. The cable tray takes just about 5 minutes to install. First, check the crossbeam for any protruding bolts. If you see any, remove them and replace them with the A4 bolts. Loosen the 4 screws to adjust the length of the cable tray. Don't extend it all the way. Leaving about 5 millimeters on each side works best. Unfold the hinge of the cable cover and align it with the pre-drilled holes on the tabletop. Make sure to tighten the 4 A3 screws on the cable management tray. We recommend using the included Velcro straps to neatly organize the cables of the control box and the hand control. For more detailed cable management tips, you can check out our dedicated tutorial video. Insert the U-bracket into the middle of the crossbeam, rotate it, and lock it into the gap. Then press the cable under the U-bracket to hold it in place and keep things looking neat. Insert the A1 screw into the slot. Hold the screw with one hand while rotating the cable clip with the other and tighten it in place. If you want to change the position later, just loosen the clip and adjust it. Be careful not to let it interfere with the crossbeam. We've included a 6-socket power strip, which can be installed with the side panel facing downward and aligned with the slot underneath. You can place it on either the left or right side, depending on your preference. Insert the A1 screw, then add the A2 part and press it firmly by hand to secure. Thread one end of the Velcro strap through the gap between the beam and the tabletop. Then loop it back and fasten it onto itself. The last step is to attach the magnetic cable channel to the table leg to hide the cable. We've also included a cable organizer to help you keep your desktop device cables neat and tidy. If you come across anything you can't solve, feel free to reach out to our customer service team. Thanks again for choosing FlexiSpot E7 FLOW.